Introducing the LED Heli Ball from GX Juice. Use your hands, feet, or any other part of your body to keep it in the air. Patented motion sensing technology detects what's below and hovers above it. Or use the manual trigger control and see how close you can get to the ceiling or floor without crashing. Unique juice button activates the super bright LEDs, creating magical light shows and illuminating huge spaces. Up to 3 players with no interference for the ultimate competition. How long can you stay flying? Auto flight and awesome light shows, only with the LED Heli Ball.
Mission EnduraCool. The proprietary technology instantly absorbs and transports water through a series of hollow core fibers. These lightweight fibers combine to slow the rate of evaporation, providing an instant and prolonged cooling effect, keeping you cooler so you can go harder, longer.
This is the GDC Zip Blade, part of the new Gerber Daily Carry collection. With the GDC Zip Blade, you'll always have a cutting tool nearby. It features a lightweight, durable, fine-edge utility blade and includes a frame lock for safety. It can be attached to your jacket or your pack, and there's a clip for quick release.